Okay, so I pitched my AI voice startup Ringwise to a millionaire in UK, and it was a huge opportunity, big call for me, but I think I might have messed up a little here. Now, a little bit context here. This guy runs multiple ventures in UK, is super established, super smart guy, and I had like 15 minutes to explain him why Ringwise matters, what are we doing, and why you should work with us. But somewhere in between, I started talking too fast, एक दो points भूल गया, and then I forgot to breathe. Hey Haja, how are you?
How are you?
Doing good, doing good. Is it like 1 p.m. there in UK?
Yeah, it's 1 p.m.
Got it.
That's right.
So I pinged you because I wanted to give you a glimpse of the new SaaS product that we've created. So we connected earlier also, and at that point we were making like custom softwares for people overseas, most brands and businesses, primarily targeted towards real estate. And at that given moment, we were making specific voice AI solutions. Okay, so and I was getting a lot of inbound leads from like Indian founders, but because of the ticket size, I had to say like no to like 90% of them. So then I created this SaaS product because I understand that the market sentiment is that there is some sort of skepticism around the ROI of this product. So I was like, hey, I should create a slab of like, there should be a subscription based model for people or founders who just want to like try this stuff out for the first time. So this is the platform that I've created. Let me give you a glimpse. Before that, do you have any other questions?
Yes, did you see my
Yeah,
message?
yeah.
So because last time when we was speaking both sides, I think we were kind of early stage.
Yeah.
So it's good to see that you have developed this product. After you've covered those topics, I can give you an update on where we are, and then we can discuss or
Absolutely.
brainstorm how we work together.
Absolutely. Okay, let me share my screen first. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
So this is like the demo product. Like this is not the one that's in production right now. From here you can actually see we'll essentially give like 10 free minutes to every customer who onboards it, and there'll be like an orange what do you say, there will be a meter and whenever it drops below a threshold of 50%, it'll give you a warning, and 50% here basically shows you the number of minutes that you have left, right? And this is the entire dashboard. This essentially contains all the metrics that you are actually concerned with from the perspective of AI voice, total call minutes, number of calls, total money spent. I've also given you agent performance. So say you create like multiple agents, AI agents, so you need to understand the rating of each agent, calls, duration, successes. We'll obviously have to create a custom rubric to define success here. There'll be call analytics. So all in all, this is just the dashboard, which will basically give you all the metrics. Now here's the fun part. Yeah.
Question. So this dashboard is showing the agents that are already in use at one client, or
No.
before this dashboard, what happened?
This is what the customer will face. So each customer will have its own login, and this is basically the front end that on the customer end the customer will face, right? So each organization will be different for each customer.
So the agents are not just outbound. Last time, okay, because I'm kind of connecting it with what
Yeah.
you demoed before. What you demoed before was the WhatsApp outbound real estate AI agent for Dubai.
Got
real
it.
estate company.
No, not exactly that. So essentially, yeah. So there are a lot of players in the Indian market, Indeed, Callfluent, some big names, right? So what they have done is they have created a sort of a similar competition to the likes of Vapi, Bland AI, Flow, stuff like that, right? But what you can actually see is that for a customer who is not exactly technically equipped, making an AI agent on the platform, be it just writing the prompt or testing it out, is a huge hiccup, is a huge friction, right? So what I've done here is that in this section of the campaigns part, you just have to click on add new, just like for the old sake, the email campaigns, right? You just have to write the name of the campaign, create the campaign, As simple as that. Add the leads, you can add either through your CSV, Excel, or you can manually add them, right? Then there is configuration part. Obviously, this is the part where there are multiple agents that will be available for you. These are the default agents that I've provided for if you want to just test the platform out, right? And then you'll go to the schedule option where you can choose the start time, end time, the time zone you want to call in, the working days, everything. Then there will be options. So there's already a UK based number for testing, but I've already like partnered up with multiple telephony partners, so I have like the reach of pretty much all the major countries now in terms of the numbers. So that is that in terms of campaigns. There is this agent part. So all the AI agents that I'll be creating for you will be listed down here. These are the default ones. For the new agent, you just have to request it. You just have to request the purpose of your agent. What's the name of the agent? Say probably help desk, right? Then you have to give me a basic conversation flow, be it the conversation flow or you can just give me a script, right? Then you just have to enter the special instructions, like you have to be friendly, professional tone, or anything that you want, right? So after that agent will be listed down here in 24 hours. So I'll create in the backend. In the backend, I'll create the agent and I'll just list it down here.
All right. Okay. So
Yeah.
the agent creation happens in the backend.
Yeah.
So
I
the
like
form does not like a request, is it?
my team brainstormed on it for like very long, but like we came to the conclusion that there is no way that the customer is going to make a perfect prompt, let alone make a prompt in the first go. So we were like, hey, let's create the agent, because for us it's not going to take more than 1 hour, and for the on the customer end the entire journey will be spoiled, the entire experience will be spoiled if they won't be able to make a good agent.
Gotcha.
So there's also inbound calling here, so where you can request a new number, same form, you just have to fill up this small form and I'll give you a new number. All those new numbers will be listed down here. There's call log section where all the logs will be there, plus here's the fun part. So all these tools will be like get live in like pretty much 3 days from now. WhatsApp, sentiment analysis, email, these are all the integrations that we are providing. We also have integration with multiple CRMs. We have not listed it down here. And from custom data extraction, what I really mean here is that say you are doing calling for a real estate agent, right? And that agent actually is not at all interested in understanding the entire 5-minute call that happened with the customer. He's concerned with the budget of the customer, the locality he's interested in, and the parameters that actually are of relevance. So we'll just extract the data, and in the call log section, we'll just give you all that data. Now, after this, we discussed commercials and everything, and I won't be able to show you that for now. Whether this turns out good for us or not, I'm proud of where we have reached from where we started. And honestly, I have a feeling that this might turn out well for us. And I'm looking forward to documenting my entire journey of building this AI startup from ground up, sharing it with you guys on YouTube. And thanks for watching, guys.